Okay. We're gonna be repairing the G7 today. Or tonight, I guess. Put some tape on it to try and keep it together, but yeah, no. The back was doing alright till I fucked up the front. Right here, just put my knee right on it. And I just killed it. So, the phone still turns on. You can hear it, but you can't see it anymore. So, it's done. I got the replacements from Amazon. I got a beautiful. It was gray. Now we're going with the blue. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then my lovely assistant can hold this. You could buy just the screen, but it's kind of complicated. So they actually sell it, the whole thing now. The frame and everything. So when you get it, all you do is replace the back and you got basically a new phone. No dings, dents, or anything. Brand fucking new. Whereas this one I already shoved it up my ass. Multiple times. So alright. We're gonna get repairing this shit. So I guess we just heat it up. Oh shit, it turned on. What'd I say? Alright. It looks fine. Alright, so once it's heated up, you can start working all the glue that's holding the back glass together. Holy shit, there's glass flying everywhere. Here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Did I fuck up the phone or what? Come on, let it go.
Don't break the ribbon table.
Oh, come on.
Don't rip it off.
Well, what fucking gives? Got it. There was an extra sticky pad on the inner side. Can zoom in. That was getting stuck on this side here. Alright, and replacement of the glass is easy because it's one piece and it peels off really easy. Alright, we cleaned it up. So, these two are basically the same. That one's empty. This one has everything in it. It's a broken phone though. So we need to move everything from here onto that one. So this one has a good screen. We gotta take off a bunch of screws. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 screws. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll come back. Alright. So we're just popping off ribbons. Battery one, we took it off so that nothing shorts out. We already pulled out the speaker. Headphone jack just popped out. This is a display, I'm guessing. It's a big ass one. The camera, let's pop this one out. Cool. Careful with the ribbons, not to yank or pull on them. And then, I mean, fuck it, let's just go right into it. Nope, it's a little stuck. Alright, we're gonna pause it just to look at what we're doing. Alright, so it turns out I didn't take out the SIM.
Yep.
So that's what was getting it stuck. So you definitely need to take out the dual SIM card reader thing. But once you take that out, you can start prying on it, and it definitely will come loose. And then what in the fuck is stuck down there?
Oh, it's a ribbon.
The main ribbon for the bottom shit. Okay, that was on the bottom side. But oof, look at that thermal paste. Okay, keep in mind, so when we put it back, we'll put two little squibs around there. I'm guessing the CPU and the GPU. Okay. So there, where are we at? We disassembled most of it. We got thermal paste. Damn. We're gonna need to move a lot of shit. Damn. Alright, well, let's get moving this.